We're victims. We're victims of the pharmaceutical companies. We're victims of the food that we eat and the toxins that are in the food. Older people, even some in their late 40s and 50s that are in nursing homes. They can't remember who they are. Don't know their own family. And they're not old people, but there are metals in their system that if you could see the amount of mercury, the amount of aluminum, the amount of this and that that's in you, that's now in your brain, traveling in your bloodstream. There's no way in hell that I could know what I know and not hate with a passion the wicked people, the wicked rulers that are killing millions. How then can I hide truth like this? What kind of man would I be if I knew it and poked out and was afraid to tell you that which would save your life? So pop it in the microwave, heat it up and give it to your babies, and they eating this crap, and you wonder why they're growing fatter and fatter, and young people on the football field all of a sudden, no known cause, just fall out and die. So who's cooking for you? The same Satan. How many pills do you have to take now for your high blood pressure? What effect are those pills having? Does it help you gain weight so you don't die from diabetes but obesity hits you? Watch this. You're suffering from malnutrition because of what you eat.
No matter who you are, no matter what your diet is, you're going to have to get some minerals in your body to get this stuff out of you. Most aggressive approach you can take is 66 herbs a day. That's the inflammation and mucus, getting the blood and gut cleanse, getting any parasites out your body, and then making sure your hormones are balanced, whether you're a man or a woman. The second most aggressive approach is these two right here, and removing any parasites out your body. Or you can start with the minimum standards, getting the inflammation and mucus out your body, cleansing your blood and gut.